Vortex. I'm using the new camcorder. Let me know how the audio is. Just to give you a little update. Paisley and Sophie have been hissing at each other nonstop. Okay? But I like how they're both doing essentially the exact same thing. They're just hanging out, listening to jazz. But they can't even be in the same room. You guys like this? Fucking vacuumed. It's about damn time. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys this. I think it's pretty cool. So I did this poster for the rainbow people, hence the rainbow outline. I didn't do that. It was made that way. Okay, I bought it like that. But yes, this is from Matthew. It's one of my favorite passages in the New Testament. But yeah, I wanted to do something to show them that they have support if they're trying to not give into that. They have support from God, and they have support from freakzoids like me that would be rejected by most of society, I would say. But yeah, it's really not an easy time to be alive if you're, trying to get away from sinful behavior, because, you've got so much encouragement, and you have all kinds of political people, practically every celebrity that's ever existed, just going along. So you have my support then. Some high-functioning schizophrenic living in the Tennessee tri-state area supports you in your decision to refrain from homosexual activity. You can still be homosexual, just don't fuck. You think I don't struggle? I got intrusive thoughts all the time. Most of them are violent. But yeah, I'll get sexual thoughts too. And I can't chase those thoughts, because if I do, I'll start touching myself, and that's not good. So, I mean, for spiritual reasons, I just much rather make stuff, But luckily there's confession if I do end up doing something. And, if you think my religion's screwing me up, I've always been screwed up about these things. And I understand that there's definitely an obsessive compulsive religious tendency, especially from people like me, but just in general, I'd say speaking of God, it's my ringtone. This is my mom. I guess I'm gonna have to call her back. I'll get back with you.